If your pizza crust is sad, your oven is bad. Let's fix that. I'm on a mission to discover the top 5 pizza ovens out there. Stay tuned as we put them to the test and find out which one cooks the perfect pizza. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of pizza ovens. You lot think you know about making pizzas? Listen, I've seen donkeys with more culinary talent than some of you lot. Having the right kit, the right oven, that's the first step to not serving up a load of rubbish. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, having the right pizza oven can make all the difference. Let's get started. First up, we have the Unicoda 16. This is not just any pizza oven, it's a game changer for pizza enthusiasts and home chefs alike. This gas-powered oven is perfect for those who want a quick and easy setup without compromising on quality. Imagine coming home after a long day and craving a delicious homemade pizza. With the Unicoda 16 you can have that pizza ready in no time. Let me tell you, there's nothing worse than waiting an hour for your oven to heat up. We've all been there, staring at the clock, feeling our patience wear thin as we wait for the oven to reach the right temperature. The Unicoda 16, 15 minutes and you're ready to go. That's right, just 15 minutes, it's almost like magic. You can start prepping your ingredients and by the time you're done, the oven is hot and ready. That's the kind of efficiency I like to see in a kitchen. In today's fast-paced world, we need appliances that can keep up with our busy lives. The Unicoda 16 fits perfectly into that lifestyle. And don't think for a minute that speed means sacrificing quality. This oven is designed to deliver restaurant-quality pizzas right in your own home. The crust comes out perfectly crispy, and the toppings are cooked to perfection. This thing heats up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hotter than most traditional ovens, and it's what gives your pizza that authentic, wood-fired taste. That's hot enough to cook a pizza in 60 seconds flat. 60 seconds! Just think about that. You could start cooking your pizza, and by the time you finish setting the table, it's done. You could blink and miss it. It's that fast. No more waiting around, no more hungry guests. Just quick, delicious pizza. The Unicoda 16 is also incredibly portable. It's designed with convenience in mind so you can take it wherever you go. It's lightweight and compact so you can take it with you to the park, the beach, or even your mate's house. Imagine the possibilities: a pizza party at the park, a beach day with freshly made pizza, or impressing your friends with your pizza-making skills at their place. Just try not to burn his lawn down, yeah? Safety first, always. Make sure you have a safe, flat surface to set up your oven and you'll be good to go. The Unicoda 16 isn't just an oven, it's a ticket to memorable moments with family and friends. Picture this: a warm summer evening, the smell of fresh pizza in the air, and the sound of laughter all around. That's what this oven brings to the table. And when the party's over, cleanup is a breeze. The Unicoda 16 is designed to be easy to clean, so you can spend more time enjoying your pizza and less time scrubbing the oven. Assembly is straightforward too. You don't need to be a tech wizard to get this oven up and running. Just follow the simple instructions and you'll be ready to cook in no time. The gas control knob allows you to adjust the temperature with precision, giving you complete control over your cooking. Whether you like your pizza crispy or a bit softer, you can achieve the perfect result every time. So, if you're serious about your pizza and want an oven that delivers on both speed and quality, the Unicoda 16 is the way to go. It's a small investment for a big upgrade to your pizza game. Ready to go in 15 minutes and ready to make your pizza dreams come true. The Unicoda 16 is here to revolutionize your kitchen, so why wait? Get your Unicoda 16 today and start making the best pizzas of your life. Your taste buds will thank you. Ready to go in 15 minutes and ready to make your pizza dreams come true. The Unicoda 16 is here to revolutionize your kitchen, so why wait? Get your Unicoda 16 today and start making the best pizzas of your life. Your taste buds will thank you. Next, the Rockbox by Gosney. This isn't just any pizza oven, it's a game changer in the world of home cooking. This oven is in a different league, mate. It's designed for those who take their pizza seriously and want to replicate that perfect pizzeria experience right in their backyard. We're talking about the Ferrari of pizza ovens. Just like a Ferrari, it's sleek, powerful, and built for performance. It's not just about cooking pizza, it's about creating an experience. It's known for its versatility. This oven can use both gas and wood, giving you that authentic wood-fired flavor. Whether you prefer the convenience of gas or the traditional taste of wood, the Rockbox has got you covered. And let me tell you, that wood-fired flavor is something special. It's the kind of taste that transports you straight to the heart of Italy, where pizza was born. It's smoky, it's earthy, it's like nothing you've ever tasted before. The flavors meld together in a way that's both rustic and refined, giving you a pizza that's truly unforgettable. It's the kind of flavor that'll make your mates think you've been secretly training in Italy. Imagine the look on their faces when you serve up a pizza that tastes like it came straight out of a Neapolitan pizzeria. The Rockbox is also built like a tank. It's not just about looks. This oven is designed to last. It's made with high-quality materials that can withstand the rigors of high-heat cooking. It's got a thick stone floor and a double-walled, insulated body. This means it retains heat exceptionally well, ensuring that your pizza cooks evenly and quickly every time. This thing can handle anything you throw at it, whether you're cooking a classic margarita, a loaded meat lover's pizza, or even experimenting with new recipes. The Rockbox delivers consistent results. And trust me, I've thrown a lot at ovens in my time. From pizzas to bread to roasted vegetables and even desserts, the Rockbox handles it all with ease. It's not just a pizza oven, it's a versatile cooking tool that can elevate your culinary game to new heights. The secret to a perfect pizza lies in the crust, and the Rockbox nails it every time. The high heat and stone floor create a crispy yet chewy crust. That's the hallmark of a great pizza. And let's not forget about the toppings. The intense heat of the Rockbox ensures that your toppings are cooked to perfection, with melted cheese, crispy edges, and a burst of flavor in every bite. It's not just about the food, it's about the experience. The Rockbox brings people together, whether it's a family dinner, a weekend barbecue, or a pizza party with friends. It's about creating memories and enjoying great food with the people you love. So if you're serious about pizza and want to take your home cooking to the next level, the Rockbox by Gosney is the way to go. It's more than just an oven, it's a ticket to a world of culinary possibilities. The Ferrari of pizza ovens indeed. Get ready to impress your friends, delight your taste buds, and make every pizza night an extraordinary event. Chapter 3. Breville Smart Oven Pizzaiolo Restaurant Quality at Home. Third on our list is the Breville Smart Oven Pizzaiolo. This isn't just any ordinary kitchen appliance, it's a game changer for pizza lovers everywhere. This electric oven is perfect for indoor use and can reach temperatures up to 750 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hotter than your average home oven, and it means you can achieve that perfect crispy crust every time. Listen, I know what you're thinking, an electric pizza oven? Can it really deliver the same results as a traditional wood-fired oven? Can that really compete with the big boys? The answer is a resounding yes. Well, let me tell you, the Breville Smart Oven Pizzaiolo is no joke. It's designed to mimic the intense heat and cooking environment of a traditional pizza oven, but with the convenience of being electric. This thing is a beast. It uses a combination of conductive, radiant, and convective heat to cook your pizza evenly and quickly. It's got 7 different preset functions, so you can cook everything from a classic Neapolitan to a New York-style pizza. And the best part? So you can cook everything from a classic Neapolitan pizza, with its thin, crispy crust and simple toppings, to a New York-style pizza, known for its large, foldable slices and chewy crust. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to use. The user-friendly interface makes it simple to select the right settings, even if you're not a tech wizard. Even a complete novice could make a decent pizza with this thing. The step-by-step process is straightforward, and the oven does most of the work for you. I'm not saying that you're an idiot, of course, but if you've ever struggled with making pizza at home, this oven will be a game changer for you. But if the shoe fits, the Breville Smart Oven Pizzaiolo takes the guesswork out of pizza making, so you can focus on enjoying the process and the delicious results. Imagine being able to create a variety of pizzas, from margarita to pepperoni, veggie to meat lovers, all in the comfort of your own home. The possibilities are endless. And it's not just about the pizza, it's about the experience. Sharing a homemade pizza with family and friends, creating memories in the kitchen, and enjoying restaurant-quality food without leaving your house. Plus, the Breville Smart Oven Pizzaiolo looks great in any kitchen. Its sleek design and compact size mean it won't take up too much space, but it will definitely make a statement. And let's not forget about the cleanup. The oven is designed to be easy to clean, so you won't be stuck scrubbing for hours after your pizza feast. With its precision controls and high-quality construction, the Breville Smart Oven Pizzaiolo is built to last. It's an investment in your kitchen and your culinary skills. So, if you're serious about making restaurant-quality pizza at home, the Breville Smart Oven Pizzaiolo is the way to go. It's the perfect blend of tradition and technology, bringing the pizzeria experience right to your kitchen. Don't settle for mediocre pizza. Elevate your home cooking with the Breville Smart Oven Pizzaiolo and enjoy the best pizza you've ever made right at home. Chapter 4, Bertello Outdoor Pizza Oven, the Multi-Fuel Monster. Coming in fourth, the Bertello Outdoor Pizza Oven. This multi-fuel oven can use wood, charcoal and gas, making it incredibly versatile. This is the kind of oven that you want if you're serious about your pizza. It's got everything you need to cook up a storm no matter what your fuel preference is. Wood, charcoal, gas. The Bertello can handle it all. It's like the Swiss Army knife of pizza ovens. And just like a Swiss Army knife, it's built to last. This thing is made from high-quality stainless steel, so it can withstand even the harshest conditions. Chapter 5. Camp Chef Italia, Artisan Pizza Oven, Brick Oven Quality without the bricks. Last but not least, the Camp Chef Italia Artisan Pizza Oven. This oven is designed to replicate the performance of a wood-fired brick oven. Perfect for any pizza enthusiast. Now I know what you're thinking, a brick oven? That's a bit much, isn't it? Well, the Camp Chef Italia Artisan Pizza Oven gives you the best of both worlds. It's got the performance of a brick oven, but it's much more compact and affordable. And it's still incredibly versatile. You can use it to cook pizzas, bread, meats, vegetables, you name it. Chapter 6. You can't buy skill, but you can buy a good oven. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more top 5 lists and reviews. By clicking on the affiliate link in the description below to make a purchase, you're helping support this channel. Thank you. And remember, having the right oven is only half the battle. You still need to know what you're doing in the kitchen. But hey, even if your cooking is as bad as my grandmother's singing, at least you'll have a good oven to blame it on. Happy pizza making!